Hello traders, welcome to the channel. I'm your host Running Forward. I got into Microsoft and TSLL today. I want to share with you why in a minute. This is for educational purpose only. This is not financial advice. So today the market was very bullish, but even before today's candle, the market has been bullish in the long term. It had some corrections and it was very volatile for the past week or so, but it's a bullish chart nonetheless. Okay, so the first one I got into is Microsoft. Microsoft, I like the pattern because it's a uptrend. In the past, I would have been this red candle here would have shut me off to even look at this stock for a very long time until maybe after price action go past the top of this red candle. But the red candle was actually formed on earnings day. So on that day, the price of Microsoft gapped up and it came back down that day and closed at about 534-ish. That's why I formed that candle. But if you look at the price action after the earnings play, it was consolidating and eventually it closed this gap on August 7th with this day's candle. So and then after that, for the past 2 days, it was dojis. Dojis, if you know candlestick, you know that just means indecision. And with this, indecision came in, and then today it gapped up and closed with a green candle. To me, it tells me that the buyers are ready. They have entered and they're ready to push the stock higher. So that's when I saw this green candle forming. That's when I got in. But this is such an expensive stock, so I didn't go buy the stock or even buy the option directly. What I did is I sold bull put spread. So um, that just is a safer play. You don't have to put out a lot of capital, but you can benefit with the um, price of the stock going higher. So that's the one. That's one of the stock I got in today. The other one is TSLL. This is the 2x ETF for Tesla. So as you can see that I have looked at this chart before, and the last analysis I did was that this has been in an uptrend, or it was in a wedge formation. But the wedge looks bullish because back then the stock was forming a short-term uptrend and the price was about, I think it was, I did this analysis maybe 2 days ago on August 8th. Back then the price was closing above the wedge, um, or the downtrend part of the wedge. So to me that means bullish. So and then the price action of yesterday seems to prove that, but it has come to this resistance area of this high here. It's about $13.10 ish. And today the price came down, and then then I got in because I think this is a lower risk entry. The upside potential, the first target is probably here, near this high here, about $15. Should be a good, decent amount of return. That's 14%. And then the second target will be this top area, and also here too, that's 28%. And then the risk is, if you got in, risk is about 4 or 5% maybe. So it's a good risk reward ratio, and as of now, while I'm talking. I'm 3% in the green, so I bought the leap call of this ETF. That's why a small advancement on the ETF price is a bigger gain on the call option. So these are the two stocks or ETFs I got in today, and that's the reason behind it. Hopefully you find some value in this video. Till next time. Bye for now.